Yo, chat, what's good with it? What's good with it? What, my boy? Good morning for my Europeans slash Asian slash wherever you guys are from. Shout out. All right, boys and girls, I am not Brian. I'm Dhesi, as it says in the chat. Brian does the PM streams. I do the London streams. Brian is as Asian as it gets. Nah. As Asian as it gets. Yo, what this price action goated. I'm a Laker fan, bro. All right, let's get into it. You guys know the drill. Last night we caught a 70-point banger, so let's see what we can do in tonight's action. Good morning, Matt. Good morning, Matt. Good shit, Web. Good shit. Dude, let me show you this crazy entry, guys, I had today for London short. You guys ready for this? I'm literally going to be an Asia session trader now. Bro, look at this. I close all at the low here, too. Banger trade. I'm exit phase. All right, let's look, Pip, my guy. Let's look at where we are on the 4-hour time frame. We are currently in a 4-hour fair value gap. Am I too loud? Are we good, guys? Just make sure everything's good. And if you guys haven't dropped a like, make sure you guys drop a like on the stream as well. We're gonna keep this coming. Currently in a 4-hour fair value gap on ES and NQ, so I'm looking for a possible pop up. We have equal highs here. I don't know what the hell this was today. These highs here. But currently we're just kind of moving lower, but we'll see if we get any 15-minute or 5-minute versions. What I'm looking at here is, let's turn this off real quick. I'm looking at this 15-minute fair value gap. This here could be nice if we go right. This could be nice. So I'm kind of watching for this. Obviously not all the way up there, but like maybe like these Asia highs or something like that. What's Asia high at? This would be a good long trade if we get it. I got my AirPod in this time so I can listen to music. Because yesterday I was not listening to music and that was not it. Yeah, I have it at 2 a.m. Because it's I use like the pre-market for London. I think I gotta change it. People were telling me the settings is wrong. Yeah, I just like to use that instead of midnight open. You in LA? I'm near LA, yeah. Yeah, a lot of people have it at 3. I'm Punjabi, Alan. Punjabi, Indian. I'm up 405. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I almost canceled the stream. Dude, Web, 4 a.m. New York Open. Yeah, I was gonna say that. Yeah. I almost canceled it because I'm already up good on the day. Look at this, guys. Hold up. Wow, like, you know what? Let's see if I get something for you guys. Look at this. Ready? Hide the balance of it. I'm gonna do a Twitter surprise on the balance and stuff. But look at this. We are up 20 bands in Asia tonight. Okay, so I was hesitant on going live for London. This is times 5, obviously. No, I don't stream for Asian. No. Now, what we're gonna work on, right, are these accounts here. Currently down 1.3k each. Absolute blunder by me, guys. I took the same trades that I took on my XFAs, right? But I put in a buy limit instead of a sell limit. So I came back. Here I was thinking I was, take profit, but no, obviously not. So I'm going to be working on these. Currently 13k profits each. Just going to try to keep building it up. But solid session so far. No, I don't use InterTrader. I don't like it. What time do you sleep, bro? I don't even know. I haven't slept. Like last night, I slept for an hour and a half. Cause I got off the stream. If you guys were there last night, you guys know I got off the stream around like 1:30. I ate, chilled for a bit, and went to sleep at 3. Woke up at 4:30 because I couldn't really go to sleep. And then I traded in New York session, so I don't know. Last like 48 hours, I probably slept like 4 hours. Not healthy at all, and it's not a flex at all. I gotta get my shit together. It's gonna catch up to me. Do you have multiple props in the same trade? No. This is one. Damn it, was. We swept 488s. If you look for a long entry, would it bet? No. I'm fine with a long entry. I'm looking at this 15-minute gap here as a possible. Right, this. I'm using any indicators. Yeah, I'm using an indicator I have up here. You guys could pause the stream. My London, it should be 3, but not 2. I like using 2. I don't know why I've always had it. I just felt it was good. What did you trade in Asia? Nah, bro, I'm gatekeeping. Nah, I'm just kidding. It was pretty easy. OB, hourly gap, smack short here. It's pretty simple. Right? We got the Asia high, right? We looked for a 1 hour was getting rejected on the fair value gap. What do we have? 5-minute inversion here too to confirm it. But I took a soup entry up there. Asia's 8 p.m. for you? Yeah. No. Asia is 5 p.m. for me. I'm West Coast. Yeah, the 5-minute flipped here, but I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute. That'll be good. Bunch of range. How long have you been trading? Since early 2021. Whoever said New York's hard, listen. In January and February so far, I'm 90% sure I have more. I gotta go back and look at my journaling. I'm pretty sure I have more red days in New York overall. Because New York has been very difficult. I get all my buffer during Asia, and so let's say I'm up like $2,000 in Asia, London. If I lose like 600 for New York, obviously that's a red New York session. So I've lost more New York sessions this year so far, and then this is why I've been kind of sticking to London and Asia because it's been cleaner for me. New York has been extremely difficult for me to trade. Do you used to set alerts for higher time frame PDRs for Asia? Yep. Yeah. Do premium members get a separate? Yeah, so we did a premium live today in a Discord in the morning. And we'll do one tomorrow morning as well. Tariff candles and cook meat? Yeah, dude. Yeah, yesterday we just stayed patient for our London trade and caught a nice one, so we'll do the same thing here. Was it easy for you to scale up, or did you gradually do it? In terms of prop firms, it's pretty. I don't want to say it's easy because I was already profitable when I came into prop firms, and it was just a matter of me using different prop firms to kind of scale my trading. Jordy, I have my account on the side here. Look, my top step's already up 20k today, 25k almost. So, I'm being very cautious with my top step accounts tonight. There's really no need for me to trade more on these. This is why, because yesterday, you guys know I was showing live executions. This is why I'm not going to do it today on the top step, because I'm not going to trade this account. Oh, me and Brian got something planned with duos. So yeah. You guys know I retired code Dhesi. Make sure you guys use code SMART for the best profit from discounts. I'm pretty sure everything's in the description that you guys need to know. What? This fucking guy. Like I said, I am red on my funded futures family accounts. This was a rookie mistake. I meant to put in sell limits and it bought accidentally, right? So I closed it as soon as I saw that. So this was supposed to be green by a lot too, but I kind of fumbled on this, so I'm not really too worried. How you're trading on Project Xpin? I feel like it was bad in the beginning, but they've been kind of doing good now. Like I don't notice any issues. First, they had issues like pretty often, but not anymore. Well, do you gotta tell Lanto, bro, to get on with the program. Do you not trade 50k contracts like 50k funded accounts? This higher time frame is so weird. Like I don't know what this is on ES. Like this is so. Was anyone long here up like today trying to long into this like whatever the fuck this is? Did anyone try longs up here earlier in New York session? Like what? This is weird. I know MES took this high, but ES didn't. Do you not? Yeah, 150Ks. I copy trade all my accounts. Yeah. My room looks cozy. Oh yeah, it's cool. Do you stream in the Discord? Yeah. I went long last night to 8. Dude, that New York. Once again, I feel like our New York moves have been happening like very early in the day. Right at 9:30, we started expanding. That's exactly what we got again today. Yeah. Top has activation fee of 150 on any account size and monthly subscription on your combine as long as you don't pass them. Well, I've been doing better in London and Asia than I have in New York this year, so. Yeah. So I'm waiting for this 15-minute. I want this order block violated and this. gap here, and then we can start looking for a higher price. Nice. Welcome in all new viewers as well, because I know we're gonna have a lot of new viewers throughout the. Now I'm gonna go on the 15-minute web. I know there's a lot of new people, so welcome. I'm not Brian, by the way. I'm Dhesi. Brian does PM streams for New York. What's for dinner? Bro, we had. Or okay, I mean, I'm pretty sure you saw the Discord. My girl made, like, what was it? Chipotle chicken, honey sriracha chicken. It was so good. And burritos. Oh my goodness. So good, guys. So smacked on those. I'm kind of waiting for this 12 a.m. open. Braden. Big use. I'm Dhesi, not Brian, but welcome. Any particular reason? I already answered that. Good to see the streams. You're gonna keep doing London streams? Yeah, like I said, we'll do London streams for the rest of the week. But guys, the big thing is I'm taking a 10-day trip. I'm taking a 10-day trip to Taiwan. So London streams will be paused then, and then I'll be back for London. Yeah, no, you're good, Big. A lot of people probably think I'm Brian, especially the new people. Brian does the New York PM streams daily. A couple of my friends are going to Taiwan. They're like, "Oh, you want to go?" I was like, "Hey, fuck it." How often do you travel? Not often enough, but I'm gonna really start picking it up. So I went to Japan in October, and now I'm going to Taiwan. I already have Japan planned again for next October, so I'll probably do like another summer trip. So maybe like 3 trips this year. Do you still live with your parents? I do. Moving end of this year. Yeah, I just want this is 15-minute. I want to see what this 15-minute does. See if we get an inversion. Ideally, a close above 540s, and then we'll look for these highs up here. Yep, that's the open. Yep. Unprofitable trader says, "Come on, bro, you gotta get a better name. You gotta put the profitable trader. Speak it into existence." This is so. When I come back from my trip, this is gonna be at least 3 times a week. I think I need to pin that, guys. I think yesterday I answered like the same question like 80 times. So yeah, rest of this week we'll do London, and then 10-day break for me on my trip, and then we'll come back and do it 3 times a week. This is the indicator right here. Pause the stream if you want. Wait, what's the name of this stream? Is it not live trading with Dhesi? Did I not put it? I thought it was live trading funded accounts with Dhesi. It is. It is. It is. I mean, that's fine. Jesse, the open was right now, a minute ago. For your pay score, are you only alerting market session open? I alert trades when it's there, and then I commentate throughout the day. think I missed. Jordy said, "What's the life of Dhesi outside of trading stuff, bro?" Dude, unless I'm taking a trip, bro, it's not much. Nothing exotic. I'm not going out there ripping around Lamborghinis all day. Like today, bro, I was probably at my desk for like 12, 14 hours. Like it's like long work days. There's some business stuff too that you have to work on. Social media stuff. You want to record some videos and things like that. It's a lot. Cade, baby. Relaxing was good. I have not been to India recently. The last time I went was when I was 14, and I'm 21 now. I don't alert my Asia trades now. Yo, Dan. Yesterday, people were tweaking because they're like, "Why is your top step X black and then your trading view is white?" And I didn't realize it until someone brought it up yesterday. I don't know why. Fuck it. It's better to teach though with white. Oh my god. Yeah, Kay. After you said what you just said right now, I got you. Hopefully we don't start running for. Nah, we'll be alright. We'll be alright. We need a violation of OB2, and then we'll be good to go. Yep, 4K, 4.7K times 5 on Asia trading today. This dude, I'm either gonna disappoint my Punjabi viewers. So I'm in India, obviously in Punjab, and Jalandhar. I think that's a city, guys. I don't know. Same model. Okay, oh my god. Yeah, 570. So my first TP would be this high here, and then the Asia high here. There'll be three take profit levels. Yep, I shorted this hourly gap here. Shorted this right here. So we're in an hourly fair value gap here too. This is interesting. Honestly, hey, if we reject this, fuck it. I don't mind if we do. Rajasthan has. Yes, it is. Okay, good. What got you into trading? In 2021, my cousin was trading GME. Like he sent me a screenshot. It was up like $400, and I was like, whoa, this looks cool. Keep in mind, I was in high school at this time during COVID, so I had so much time. I was like 17 and a half, and I was like, oh, let me see what this is all about. And then it was the rest is history. Yeah, smash the likes. All right, okay, good question. All right, how old do you guys think I am? For those who already know, don't answer. I'm a 62. You're funny. I'm 21. All right. No sad, no sad, no sad, no sad, no sad. I'm 21. Yeah, this is more for the people who didn't listen to it then. Yeah, I execute right after the body close of inversions. But we also have this hourly gap. So, like I said, if we do reject this and go lower, We can look for like, I don't know. There's no good inversions here on the 5. Like if we inverse this lower move here, we could obviously get a clean scalp down to these London lows. So we'll see. Clean shit and ass. Yeah, I trade options still. Usually mostly leaps and then like SPX or NDX for lottos. Make sure you guys drop a like on the stream, by the way. Yep, I share entry for options. Would you ever consider living in Puerto Rico? I actually talked about that with like my friends and family here, but not yet. Maybe when I'm consistently making $1 million a year, I think that would be worth it. Liquidity is a little bit less, obviously, because like the contracts are so fat and not a lot of people take it, but nowhere close to SPX, like you said. Enki looks kind of weak here out of this hourly gap. All odds on this 5-minute gap here. If this goes inversion, I'm down to play the downside. I'm down to play a little bit lower. Yeah, people have been trading gold in the Discord. Off on especially. I don't know if he's here. You usually trade micros or minis? It just depends on the setup. I'll say more minis than micros. Like today I definitely traded minis. I don't trade the 3-minute, bro. I'm not gonna entertain the 3-minute. I do like honestly I do think this could draw lower here. I'm looking at this 5-minute on NQ down here, and then I also want to look at this ES one. HD was good. By the way, I'm not Brian. I'm Dhesi. Brian usually streams on this channel during New York PM. Well, welcome. Do you think the higher? Yeah, for sure. Like Jordy, 15-minute is like very important to me in the hourly. Fucking Cade. Or K. Do you trade retail concepts? Yeah. I traded retail concepts until 2022 August, and then August 2022 I learned ICT, and then I applied it. Started 2023, so it's only been 2 years for ICT concepts. Bro, okay, that Lakers win tonight or last night, yesterday technically, it's really good. Yeah, in this case, I'm looking at the 5-minute here for downside. For the upside, I'll look at the 15-minute. Ulysses was good, baby. I'll do it. Dhesi Dotto is crazy. I'll do the next one. You good? So the short, I'll just look at this 5-minute gap going inversion. I'll take an entry off that. For upside, I'll look at this 15-minute violating this gap here, and I'll play upside. We're currently rejecting this hourly fair value gap here on thank you. Bruce, I never got my degree. I dropped out. I dropped out after my first year. I dropped out of my first year, and then I went back last year in January. Although I could manage trading a school, and I literally came back home after 4 days. Sounds like an easy. Should I put Dhesi trades? I'm gonna put Dhesi, but not all caps. Yeah, 270 people. Hey, I appreciate everyone being on. I know it's late for a lot of you guys, and then for other people it's probably early, so I appreciate you guys being on. I enter the close usually, like 99% of the time. Okay, I'll put stream with Dhesi. Do you guys plan on merging Discord channels? That is information I cannot talk about. No, but I think it'll be the best interest of everybody if me and Brian combined down the line here. He already told you guys. Yeah, we're gonna combine. Do you have your own YouTube channel? Yeah, it's Dhesi Trades. All my inversion model, anything you need for inversions to the most basic and most effective way is all there. So Dhesi brand, okay. It's really not information that's like classified or anything. We talk about it all the time. And I'm pretty sure this channel will not be named Brian Stonk. Maybe a couple months down the line because we are gonna combine. So Kobe, I don't tilt, but I can fall victim to overtrading because last Thursday I overtraded and kind of, I guess you could say quote unquote tilted it, but I didn't really increase my size or anything. I just took too many trades. Like I kind of pattern traded my own setup. I pattern traded for Dhesi stock. Hey guys, if you guys want to know my strategy and I'm in depth, I'm not gonna explain the full thing right now because just look at my channel Dhesi Trades and I have all the inversion stuff there. But like, it's just a higher time frame gap that I'm looking for, and then like a lower time frame inversion. Dhesi Trades is my YouTube channel. Dhesi Capital is the Discord. When you can take entry, when the move happens, we're just chopping around. Like I said, guys, London is going to take a long time for us to get entry. It's a slower session. And sometimes we'll stay here for 2 hours and not get an entry. Yesterday, we waited about, I think, 35 minutes before we got an entry, right? So it's got to be patient. No model, no trading model, no trade. Hey, be frank. It does the funny story. I remember how I just started my third year of college during a YouTube live stream. Now, if I graduate in a couple months, I haven't applied to shit. Cause I make trading. Bro, look, you can always go back to school and things like that. But this time you have to put in trading, you might not have that time in the future. So I would. Hey, I'm a big advocate of just go for it, bro. There's never gonna be a perfect time to do anything, so you might as well do it now. One wifey coming on YouTube to slap shorts. She's listening. I'm gonna have her press the buttons for me. Oh my god, why does this keep popping up? What's good is 100% right. Like, I have no responsibilities right now, but I can imagine doing this with the responsibilities. It'll be way, way harder. Yeah. Goddamn kid. Do you usually end the week, month in profit? Yes. I posted on Twitter. Chad, bro, don't hate me, bro. Dude, it's the RS3 account, dude. It's not a old school RuneScape account. It's the RS3 account. You guys want to go to dark mode? Nah, I'm sorry. I can't trade dark mode. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I haven't been watching Solo Leveling. My brother keeps sending me TikToks, but I haven't watched it. It's probably super hard to start trading if you have a girl to spend time with and also like kids. Yeah. Do you have some advice on sessions to avoid rollover Fed? I like trading red folders because they're the highest impact or like they're like most volatility during those sessions. Um, Usually I would say avoid Asia and London. The only reason I've been trading Asia and London because this is kind of like in the zone of the market where Asia and London have been doing a lot of the moves and New York hasn't. So eventually we'll go back to where New York has all the moves and Asia and London literally don't move at all. So it's just about understanding market conditions and what the sessions are doing and taking advantage of them. I usually enter after the red folder news. Like if we leave like a data high or low for CPI or NFP, I'll look for like a inversion model. I trade inversion, so I'll look for like an inversion model to those data highs or lows. We just gotta be patient, guys. Just gotta be patient. We are building a lot of low resistance liquidity up here. I think 588 is a good target for upside. If we get our setup here, just gotta wait for it. Let's see if you can get to 300 viewers tonight. That'd be crazy for a London stream. I think you should go upside rejection. Yeah, I'm looking at this 15-minute though to go inversion. We previously rejected this, so if we get a closure above here, maybe something like this. Be like this. What's the scent of the candle behind me, bro? Thank God you asked. Let me fucking enlighten you guys. Let me see, because I forgot the name. It's rose, and I don't know how to pronounce it. Rose and cedar. Cedar. I'm butchering it. But guys, the other one is so much better. It's called coconut and honey. Oh my god, greatest candle ever. Coconut and honey. Do your homework on that. Yeah, ES is moving here. We got 5 minutes on this 15-minute. Yeah, above here would be good. And we'll trim like at 20 points and things like that along the way. I'm not in a trading right now, no. I'm waiting for that inversion, guys. So you guys can see we have like low resistance liquidity here. I want to see this get slammed too, like all this liquidity. ES is already kind of moving, but odds. I think that happened last night where we were waiting for inversion and it closed literally at the tick. I was like, bruh. It was kind of annoying. How long did it take to become profitable? 8 months. Which candle time frame closed? 15-minute. What? Turn the heater on. It's kind of cold. Backtesting's good. FX replay is good for backtesting, in my opinion. Yeah, I go break even after I take my first trims usually. Obviously, New York is a little different versus London. London, I'll do like 20 points because that's a lot for a London session. No close looks like on this 15-minute. Maybe they saved it. Let's see. 30 seconds. Or 40 seconds. I don't trade unicorns. Brian is literally the unicorn king. That's all he trades mostly is unicorns. He loves breaker for rally gaps, so no trade so far. If we close it at the tick like this, guys, I'll go very small position. ES is really strong. Like, look at ES candle here. Like, if we close it at the tick, I'll go small. I think it is gonna do the tick. Okay, I'm gonna go small this year. All right, I'm gonna get my entry here. I'll look for like 15, 20 points on the first move. My phone's about to die. I lost the chat. Where's the chat at? 20 lots? You're crazy, Frank. Oh my god. Dude, a London session? What are we doing? Small is not 10 minis for me. I went in micros. I literally went 5 micros. 5 micros. I went smaller because of the close here, and also we're still an hourly here. That's why. If we could close like an hourly inversion, I'm obviously gonna add my size. We still have time for that. And I'll probably keep my stop here at these lows at 505 right here. This fair value gap here would be like the last one it needs to hold. If we go any lower than that, we'll inverse all these gaps. So 505 is a good stop, about 28 points. Yeah. If you guys are joining in, last night we took one trade. We called it. It was about a 70-point move almost. Oh, we hit 300 viewers, so shout out to everyone here. Yo, chat, are we good? I'm getting errors on my side of things for YouTube. Are we good, chat? Are we good, chat? I think it's possible. It's gonna take a long time, but I think it's possible. Hey, shout out everyone in here for real. We got 380 viewers in this bitch. Shout out. Shout out. Unless my stream is completely bugging. I think it is, because it says we have 800 concurrent viewers. I know we don't have 800. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I think the stream might crash here. No cap. Oh my god. Like, if you guys can see the dashboard right now, it's bugging so bad. I'm gonna try to fix it on the phone. See what's happening. Alright. For those new, I'm Dhesi. Me and Brian, we've been kind of sharing streams on this channel lately. He does a New York PM session. I've been doing London sessions, so welcome in. If you guys have any questions about how I trade or any of our, what we do, just post them in the chat, obviously. I know we got a lot of new people from overseas, so shout out to you guys. Make sure you guys drop a sub on the channel. Yeah, I keep saying no data for the stream. I don't know why. I don't know. We'll see. I'm just gonna let it go. If the stream crashes, this is what it is. I can't do anything about it. Guys, look at this. For those asking if I'm in, yes, I entered 5 micros, like I said. I'll just keep this here so you guys can see it. I think that's gonna help people more. Oh my goodness, that is disgusting. Whoa, 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 whoa. Relax, relax, NQ. We might have to reverse our positions here soon. That's a nasty move. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm just gonna let it go. Oh my goodness. That is disgusting. What the fuck was that? Oh my god, what is this? Is that a 1 minute candle? What the fuck? Oh my god, if it's something about tariffs, bro, that's nasty. That was disgusting, I'm not gonna lie. Trump is awake. Okay, let's recalibrate here a little bit. All right. I don't want to reverse the position here, but let's look at 481s now, because that obviously did not work. I'm posting Discord. All right, when I just posted in Discord, I'm like, we'll look for. Let me make sure I can see chat. As long as hourly gap holds, we'll be cautious now, because we'll need that hourly inversion to move lower. I think we could continue looking for lower prices here. I think London lows is a good short target here. We have S&T within the fair value gap right now. This price action is pretty aggressive for no reason right now. But yeah, guys, look for lower action here. Look for London lows to get tapped into. Only look for higher if we get the inversion on the hourly chart. That's what we have to look for. Yeah, I'm out, but we could look for a London lows here. Target these London lows. I'm gonna watch for a move into 480s. Oops. Guys, I would short the pop here into 480s. China considers investigation to Apple's stores for e-prices. Yeah, I took about a 30-point loss in that. That was aggressive as shit. Look for 481. Let's see if we find any other liquidity down here. Yeah, 481. As long as that 1 hour gap holds, that's gonna be my bias. And obviously, I don't think we'll be on for that long to wait for that hourly gap to go inversion, unless we get a crazy move within the next 19 minutes. But I think lower is the move here. We got the 5-minute inversion. Like I said, if we get I like any short the pops. Short the pops. Yeah, you hear a stop this, yeah. Yeah, there's an aggressive move down to 481s. Was anyone able to reverse their position down here into 480s? I know it's kind of quick, but that's what I was talking about, because the 5-minute went inversion, that was the best flip there. Yeah, let's see, got some back there, because that was okay. Nice. I'm gonna go keep. If you guys entered, keep your stop. Rest of them at this high here. This should be protected. If you guys are short, make sure to keep your stop right here. I'll put it right here. Here. Yeah, that was aggressive, but usually I wouldn't go back to back so fast on a trade, but it to me like they confirmed the downside bias for that because I was looking for upside obviously, but once we get an aggressive move like that, and especially during an overnight session, it usually just ends up trending. So we rebalanced into that 1 minute, and we tap back into that, or we had a 5 minute inversion here. So yeah, I got you right now. Look at this. I actually took this on NQ here. Trust me, I won't say anything that I won't take. ES hasn't taken a low. You're right. And I do think we continue lower here. This 1 hour is getting inversed. 4 hours digging pretty deep. I think we're gonna go ahead and fill this entire imbalance. So let's delete some of these charts and lines. 424 should be your next target, as that's the full fill of this 4 hour gap. So I'll write it down right here. I want to see how ES reacts to this gap here. This does not look. This doesn't look too good for upside. The only way I'll play upside, even going into tomorrow, it would be like this hourly gap going inversion. But this is looking for lower prices. Let's see what ES does here. ES tapping into a hourly gap, or a 1 minute gap here. We have some SMT within the gap. Just like that, we're down 0.5% on NQ. Look at chat. Any re-entry? Nothing yet. I'm just looking. If ES goes inversion on this 1 minute, that could be a good entry here. We have SMT currently within this gap. I would like for this to stay as SMT here, but we'll see. We get some displacement out of this low. So we need some displacement here to confirm it. I think yesterday during Asia when we had our massive sell-off, we also had news. It was like some tariff shit. Yeah, this is very range bound. If we get another entry, I'll look for it. But for now, just waiting to see. Man, overnight is something else today. Oh yeah, yeah. It's like 600 points. That was nasty. I've never seen a limit down, but that was close. I think we're like literally like yeah, 0.7% exactly. Like we're less than 1% away. Just kind of watching here. Yeah, that day was crazy. So aggressive. No, Frosty. I flipped at 95 down to 81. So Squirrel, what happens if you're in puts? Could you close those or no? Damn. I think prop firms are probably the best spot because I know they close it at 5%. That's nasty. I've never seen a circuit breaker in my career. I'm kind of like, I don't want to say looking forward to one, but I do want to see one. COVID was, yeah. All right, let's see if I want to see how ES. If ES can inverse this 1 minute, we'll probably just go for lower prices here. Currently in a 5 minute gap on NQ. ES still has NQ ES still has this massive 5 minute up here as well. It's kind of range bound today. I think last night we moved a little bit better because we started trending. I'm not in anything right now. That's an SPX post. ES is rejecting this 15-minute. I personally want to see it lower at this point. It is the Yas. The is this the goat? It is the goat. It is the goat. Yasu was good, baby. I was like, it has to be the goat. Hope you're doing well, bro. Yeah, I want to see. I want to see a continuation to this gap fill here. That'll be solid. Waiting for ES reactions here. 3 red folder later in New York could be the manipulation for Tuesday high draw. What do you think? I'm trying to come in with no bias on each trading session just because of how choppy it was. Or how choppy it's been. I'm trying to come in with like zero bias at all. Let's see what red folders we even have. I know we have NFP later in the week. PMI? Oh, we have a 10 a.m. Okay, that's good. I mean, that could be interesting. We'll see. Kind of slowing down after that move. Yeah. We do. I'm also looking at the ES 15-minute. We're at a lot of PD arrays here. Nah, you seen, I got stopped on longs and I flipped really quick for downside. And I closed that too. Short at 95. Yeah, last night was a little bit better. EF was good, bro. What's good, what's good. I want to see a continuation lower, guys. No, I'm not anything right now. Can we get a fit check? I got you right now. We got some bandana. We got the Flow Sidon shirt. If you guys don't know who Keon is on Twitter, he's like a Flow options trader. He has his own merch. This is his. Let me give you guys a stand up here, guys. We do a little different than Brian around here, okay? We got, I don't know if you guys can see, we got the Nike sweats, right? Nike sweats. And you already know. We repping Lakers 24/7. We got the Lakers slides on deck. What's good? I've been trying to get Brian to literally put his face cam on for so long. Yo, Wef, bro, let me know the brand. I'll buy some. I don't mind supporting friends. Next stream, I'm wearing that Trader Paradise merch, Frank. Shit's clean. Show me, say less. Yo, like the stream if you guys want some Dhesi OF coming soon, guys. But for real, let's get 100 likes on the stream. What are we at right now? Well, I just already beat at 100. We're at 97. 98 now. We got this. There you go. 104. Good job, guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate everyone being on, like I said. Timing is kind of crazy. How you feeling about the Luka trade? Love it, bro. Love it, love it, love it. You sent it, Web? Bet. I'll cop some in the morning. Are they true to fit? True size? What? Size up. Hey Webs, how fast is it gonna get to my house, bro? I'm leaving Saturday. I need this quick. I need it quick. Same week, bet. All right, let's see a little bit lower price action here, guys. So far, the bias is holding. Nah, it's fine. I'm trolling, bro. I don't need it by Saturday. You good? You good? Oh my god, I keep losing the YouTube chat. Yeah, we're so range bound right now. Like, I want to see lower price action. Whoa, I want to take shorts, but I just can't. It's nothing high confidence. Do I look at gold? I don't. I don't trade gold. Don't trade gold. That shit. Yeah. Yassine, bro. Listen, I don't know. You guys are bad luck. Literally, all the London sessions have been good. Last night was a banger. Today's like the only one that's ass. This is very bad. You guys jinxed it, bro. I swear to God. Everyone's like, oh my God, we're all going to start trading London. I'm like, dude, as soon as everyone goes over, it's going to be ass again. We had like 400 viewers in here at one point, bro. Nah, you seen, bro. This shit is ass. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I have no idea. It literally is because K is here. K, go to sleep, bro. The market don't want to see you right now. Wants nothing to do with you. Nah, real shit though. It is pretty bad, so we'll probably end the stream early if it continues being this poor. No point in trading some chop. TT curses. seriously. Yeah, save energy for AM. I think I'm gonna call it here pretty soon. It's unfortunate we're just kind of chopping in a range. It's very hard to trade. Like, it's already hard to trade a range, but a London range, absolutely not. I'm not gonna do that. It's a one-way ticket to blow account because it could get very aggressive, kind of like I was doing right now. All right, chat. I'm actually gonna call it here early today, just because, like I said, it's a little bit more range bound. I'm gonna save my energy for a New York AM session. I'm gonna get some sleep, actually. Um, like I said, more streams to come here in the future. So keep an eye out. Keep an eye out for that. Brian will be live on the same channel here in New York PM session. So if you guys are new, make sure to sub, and he'll be on. He'll be on in the PM session. All right. Good night, everybody. Peace.